The pursuit of muscle hypertrophy is a common goal among those who engage in physical activities and frequent gyms. In this context, whey protein supplementation has stood out as a popular strategy to optimize training results. But what do scientific studies really say about the relationship between whey protein consumption and muscle hypertrophy? This video, presented by Gigantic Supplementos, will explore the latest findings and conclusions, providing an in-depth insight into this crucial topic for fitness enthusiasts. Paying attention to every detail of this video is essential to comprehend the scientific evidence underpinning the connection between whey protein and muscle hypertrophy. The studies examine not only visible results but also the underlying biochemical mechanisms that make this supplementation so effective. Understanding these details is crucial for those seeking to optimize their muscle gains sustainably. The significance of this knowledge lies in the ability to make informed decisions about supplementation and maximize the benefits of training. Understanding what scientific research reveals about whey protein provides a solid foundation to tailor supplementation strategies according to individual goals. This not only enhances results but also avoids improper practices that could compromise the effectiveness of the training. Furthermore, the video will address the importance of considering individual factors, such as the type of training, metabolism, and specific goals when evaluating studies. It's not just a generic approach, but rather understanding how the relationship between whey protein and hypertrophy applies to each person, providing personalized insights for a more effective approach. By comprehending the scientific data, viewers will have the necessary tools to make informed decisions about their supplementation, avoiding myths and understanding the true effectiveness of whey protein in the pursuit of muscle hypertrophy. This knowledge not only enhances physical results but also promotes a conscious and healthy approach to supplementation. In summary, this video from Gigantic Supplementos aims to unravel the myths and truths behind the relationship between whey protein and muscle hypertrophy, offering a critical analysis of the latest scientific findings. Paying attention to every detail is the key to comprehensive understanding and, consequently, optimizing the benefits of this supplementation in the context of physical training. Be prepared to deepen your knowledge and refine your approach in the quest for the best results. The relentless pursuit of effective strategies to enhance muscle hypertrophy has led many fitness enthusiasts to explore different approaches, with whey protein supplementation being one of the most popular. Scientific studies play a crucial role in providing valuable insights into the relationship between whey protein consumption and muscle gains. A detailed analysis of these research findings reveals a variety of discoveries that can guide physical activity practitioners in their supplementation choices. Whey protein, extracted from milk serum, is a rich source of essential amino acids, especially branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs, crucial for muscle protein synthesis. Studies indicate that whey protein intake can promote a significant increase in post-exercise protein synthesis, favoring the recovery process and stimulating muscle growth. In addition to its direct role in protein synthesis, whey protein has also shown positive effects on the release of anabolic hormones such as insulin. The insulin response enhances the absorption of amino acids by muscle cells, contributing to maximizing the anabolic effects of resistance training. Another relevant point in the studies is the ability of whey protein to provide a rapid source of amino acids to the body. Its fast absorption in the gastrointestinal tract results in peaks of circulating amino acids, optimizing the availability of these essential nutrients to the muscles during the post-exercise period. The variety of whey protein formulations available on the market is also an aspect considered in research. Studies compare different types, such as concentrate, isolate, and hydrolysate, evaluating their effectiveness in promoting hypertrophy. Each form of whey protein has distinct characteristics in terms of protein content, absorption speed, and the presence of bioactive components. Biological individuality is a crucial element in research on whey protein and hypertrophy. Genetic differences, metabolic characteristics, and even the immune response of each individual can influence the effectiveness of supplementation. This personalized approach highlights the importance of considering individual factors when interpreting study results. In addition to the direct benefits on protein synthesis and hormonal release, whey protein has also demonstrated antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. These effects can contribute to reducing oxidative stress and muscle inflammation, promoting a more conducive environment for muscle growth. In summary, scientific studies on whey protein and muscle hypertrophy provide a comprehensive insight into the mechanisms by which this supplementation can positively influence muscle gains. Increased protein synthesis, hormonal modulation, and antioxidant effects are fundamental aspects that emerge from research. However, biological individuality and methodological limitations should also be considered when interpreting the results. ChatGPT. Whey protein, derived from milk serum, has been widely used by athletes and exercise enthusiasts as a supplement to promote muscle hypertrophy. Several studies have investigated the effectiveness of whey protein in stimulating muscle growth, providing valuable insights into its role in sports nutrition. One of the main benefits of whey protein is its high-quality amino acid profile, rich in essential amino acids, especially leucine. Leucine is known for its ability to activate cellular signaling pathways involved in muscle protein synthesis, such as the mTOR pathway. Studies have shown that whey protein intake after resistance exercise significantly increases the rate of muscle protein synthesis compared to other protein sources like casein and soy protein. Furthermore, whey protein has a rapid digestion and absorption, resulting in an acute increase in blood amino acid levels. This peak of amino acids, especially leucine, is considered a key factor in triggering muscle protein synthesis after exercise. A study conducted by Bird et al. 2012 compared the muscle anabolic response after whey protein ingestion at different times relative to resistance exercise. The results showed that consuming whey protein immediately after exercise resulted in a higher rate of muscle protein synthesis compared to ingestion before exercise or several hours later. The dose of whey protein has also been a subject of investigation in studies on muscle hypertrophy. A meta-analysis by Morton et al. 2018 analyzed various studies examining the dose-response relationship between protein intake and muscle hypertrophy. The authors concluded that an intake of approximately 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day, distributed in doses of 0.4 to 0.5 grams per kilogram of body weight per meal, is sufficient to maximize muscle hypertrophy in resistance-trained individuals. However, it is essential to emphasize that muscle hypertrophy depends not only on protein intake but also on an adequate resistance training stimulus. Whey protein acts in synergy with exercise to potentiate the hypertrophic response. A study conducted by Cribb et al. 2007 compared the effects of isolated whey protein with carbohydrates and creatine in combination with an 11-week resistance training program. The group consuming whey protein showed significantly greater increases in lean mass and muscle strength compared to the carbohydrate group. In addition to its direct effects on muscle protein synthesis, whey protein can also contribute to muscle hypertrophy through other mechanisms. One of these mechanisms is the reduction of muscle protein degradation. Whey protein contains bioactive peptides, such as beta-lactoglobulin and alpha-lactalbumin, which have shown inhibitory effects on the activity of the ubiquitin proteasome system, one of the main systems involved in muscle protein degradation. Another mechanism by which whey protein may favor muscle hypertrophy is through the modulation of hormonal response. Studies have demonstrated that whey protein intake can increase circulating levels of anabolic hormones such as insulin and IGF-1, insulin-like growth factor 1. These hormones play a crucial role in regulating muscle protein metabolism, stimulating protein synthesis, and inhibiting protein degradation. Additionally, whey protein has been associated with improved muscle recovery after exercise. A study by Buckley et al. 2010 investigated the effects of hydrolyzed whey protein on muscle recovery after strenuous eccentric exercises. Participants who consumed hydrolyzed whey protein showed faster recovery of muscle function and a reduction in delayed-onset muscle soreness compared to the placebo group. However, it's important to consider that individual responses to whey protein supplementation may vary. Factors such as genetics, age, gender, training level, and overall nutritional status can influence the magnitude of the hypertrophic response to whey protein. Additionally, the quality and purity of the whey protein supplement are also crucial factors to be considered. While whey protein is generally well tolerated by most people, some individuals may have lactose intolerance or milk protein allergies. In such cases, alternatives like lactose-free whey protein isolate or non-dairy protein sources such as soy or pea protein can be considered. It's important to note that whey protein should not be considered a magic solution for muscle hypertrophy. A balanced diet rich in high-quality proteins from diverse food sources, combined with a progressive and consistent resistance training program, is essential for optimal results. Whey protein supplementation can be an additional strategy to optimize protein intake and support muscle gain goals, but it does not replace proper nutrition and an active lifestyle. Furthermore, caution should be exercised with excessive protein consumption. Although studies have demonstrated the safety of protein intake above daily recommendations for most healthy individuals, prolonged and excessive protein consumption may have health implications, especially in individuals with certain medical conditions such as kidney disease. Another aspect to consider is the timing of whey protein intake in relation to exercise. While the post-exercise anabolic window has been emphasized as the ideal time for protein consumption, recent studies have questioned the critical importance of this timing. A study by Schoenfeld et al., 2017, compared the effects of protein intake immediately before and after resistance exercise. The results showed no significant differences in muscle hypertrophy between the groups, suggesting that total daily protein intake and distribution throughout the day may be more important than specific timing relative to exercise. However, it's important to note that protein intake before and after exercise can still be beneficial for other reasons, such as providing amino acids to support muscle protein synthesis, reducing protein catabolism during exercise, and promoting muscle recovery. In addition to whey protein, other supplements have been studied in relation to muscle hypertrophy. Creatine, for example, has been consistently associated with increases in muscle mass and strength when combined with resistance training. Casein, another milk-derived protein, has a slower digestion rate compared to whey protein and may be useful in providing a steady flow of amino acids during prolonged periods, such as overnight. It's also crucial to consider the quality of the protein consumed, whether from food sources or supplements. Protein quality is determined by its digestibility and essential amino acid profile. High-quality proteins like whey protein, eggs, lean meat, and soy contain all essential amino acids in proper proportions to meet the body's needs for muscle protein synthesis. In summary, studies have provided substantial evidence that whey protein can be an effective supplement to support muscle hypertrophy when combined with an appropriate resistance training program. Its high-quality amino acid profile, rapid digestion, and ability to stimulate muscle protein synthesis make it a popular choice among athletes and exercise enthusiasts. However, it's important to remember that whey protein supplementation does not replace a balanced diet and an active lifestyle. Additionally, individual response to supplementation may vary, and it's essential to consider factors such as supplement quality, proper dosage, and timing of intake relative to exercise. Before initiating any supplementation program, it's recommended to consult with a sports nutritionist. In light of the evidence presented in studies regarding the relationship between whey protein and muscle hypertrophy, it can be concluded that this supplementation plays a significant role in optimizing muscle gains. Increased protein synthesis, positive effects on anabolic hormones, and the rapid availability of amino acids stand out as factors supporting the choice of whey protein for those seeking to enhance their results in resistance training. However, it is crucial to approach this information with a critical eye, recognizing the nuances and individualities that influence each organism's response to this supplementation. Considering the variety of whey protein formulations in different training contexts, it is evident that there is no one-size-fits-all approach. Personalizing supplementation strategies, aligned with individual goals and biological characteristics, is crucial to reap the maximum benefits of this resource. Paying attention to the quality of studies and understanding methodological limitations are essential aspects when interpreting scientific conclusions on the subject. For gigantic supplements followers, this journey through the intricacies of whey protein and muscle hypertrophy represents a valuable opportunity to acquire knowledge based on evidence. The quest for in-depth understanding not only enriches the fitness journey, but also empowers each individual to make informed decisions about their supplementation. In this regard, the Gigantic Supplements team encourages the community to share the video, like, and, above all, subscribe to the channel to receive more scientifically grounded content aligned with the pursuit of significant results in the fitness universe. As we conclude this video, we reiterate the importance of continuing to explore the paths of science and practice to enhance results in resistance training. Whey protein, when integrated consciously and personalized, can be a valuable tool in the arsenal of those seeking to improve their body composition and athletic performance. Stay with us at Gigantic Supplements, where the journey to achieve the best version of yourself is guided by science, dedication, and expertise in the world of supplements.